Ndewo, kekime. Dalokwa. How are you today? Okay, I want to use this opportunity to thank all the subscribers to Igbo Study channel. I just noticed we're up to 300 subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning Igbo, and thank you for speaking Igbo. Okay, today we'll be discussing shopping in Igbo. Okay, it will be a short video, but just to give you what it feels like when you're asking somebody about shopping. Okay, Kebe m ga-azụta achịcha. Kebe m ga-azụta achịcha. Where can I buy bread? Kebe, where? M ga-azụta, buy, achịcha, bread. N'ahịa, na ahịa, at the market. N'ahịa, okay? Ke ebe ahịa dị. Ke ebe means where. Ke ebe, where. Ahịa dị, where is the market? Okay? Ke ebe ahịa dị. Ke ebe ahịa dị. Na ndịda ugwu. Na ndịda ugwu. Down the hill. Okay? Okay, she's arrived at the market. As you can see, the bread achịcha. Ego ole. Ego ole, how much? So ego is money. Ole, how much? So how much money? Ego ole, how much? Naira, iri asa. Okay? Naira is the Nigerian money. Iri asa. Iri is 10. Asa is 7. So that means 7 tens, meaning 70. Naira iri asa, 70 naira. If you want to learn more about the numbers, I'll link the video below that shows you Igbo numbers. Okay? Naira iri asa, 70 naira. Okay? The shopper asked, Ego ole? Okay? And the bread seller said, Naira iri asa. Okay? Dalo, jisikwa ike, no?